हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक। वैरायटी के तौर पर टाइज खत्म हो गई है सारी ऑफिस के अंदर, तो मैं इस बार आईडी कार्ड पहन के आया हूँ, बट द इंफॉर्मेशन इज ऑलवेज 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 ब्रांड न्यू एंड टू द पॉइंट। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है, द टॉपिक इज अबाउट CEO प्रोफाइलिंग। मतलब एज अ CEO, हाउ डू यू क्रिएट अ ब्रांड फॉर योरसेल्फ? व्हाट आर द एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ क्रिएटिंग अ ब्रांड एज अ CEO? हाउ शुड यू बी लुक्ड अपॉन एज अ CEO इन योर इंडस्ट्री? इन सारी चीज़ों के बारे में आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एंड आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड। लेट्स जंप राइट इनटू इट। So, when you talk about CEO profiling, जब आप CEO profiling के बारे में बात करते हो, the basic idea that you have to understand is something that we in the industry like to call as the basic notability criteria. Basic notability criteria, ये 3 शब्द याद रख लेना दिमाग में, ठीक है? तो क्यों हम करते हैं basic notability criteria fulfill? Let's say कल उठ के when somebody searches your name on Google, you want a knowledge graph about yourself, you want a Google knowledge panel about your company, you want everything, IMDb पेज होना चाहिए मेरे नाम के बारे में, मेरे बारे में सारे images होने चाहिए। Wikipedia आपके बारे में आर्टिकल क्यों डालेगा? Everybody thinks Wikipedia is an open source, कोई भी जाके बना सकता है। आप जाइए, आप बनाइए, 10 मिनट में आपका आर्टिकल निकाल देंगे। Why? Because companies like Wikipedia require something which is known as a notable person in the field as an expert. Now, how does Wikipedia know कि आप expert हो? How does anybody know कि आप कोई भी field के अंदर expert हो? How is it possible? They rely on trustworthy sources of media. So, as a media consultant, as a PR consultant, our job is to create these stories which are in a very neutral manner. अगर आप विकीपीडिया की भी FAQs कभी पढ़ते हो कि मेरा पेज कैसे बना जाएगा, you have to understand that there is a criteria which is about neutrality. मतलब the article cannot talk about this person is amazing or it cannot say this person is bad. This person exists, right? So it's a very neutral standpoint media articles that have to be created. तो जब हम CEO profiling की बात करते हैं, as an agency, what all can we do for you? First things first, because we do PR, because we are able to give you organic media content, organic media articles, we can help you at least create that notability criteria, which will then help you create your Wikipedia pages, get your social media accounts verified. The basic notability criteria remains the same. Not just that, we have had multiple clients which have gone all the way up to speak at TEDx platforms, Joe Stock platforms, right? The way that we are able to do this is because one, we have a good network. We know people who work at these organizations who are looking actively for speakers, and we are able to help them out and provide you as a speaker over there. But the only way that your personal profile gets approved is through organic media content. तो जब आप CEO प्रोफाइलिंग की बात करते हो, you have to look at it from a third person standpoint. कि जब कोई तीसरा बंदा मेरे बारे में सर्च करेगा तो उसको क्या दिखेगा? Right? So when I look up Arsh Lakhani today, I might not find anything. But let's say I want to see a Google knowledge panel, I want to see a Wikipedia page, I want to see a TED talk, I want to see myself on television talking about my industry and where it's going. Then you will look upon me as a subject matter expert, let's say in the edtech sector, right? So as a person who is looking to create a profile for themselves as a CEO, it is very easy to say कि मेरे को CEO profile बनाना है. It is difficult to understand कि actually होता क्या है CEO profile, and it is customized to everyone. I cannot give somebody who is a leader in the steel manufacturing industry the same kind of CEO profiling as a leader in the edtech industry. It has to be customized to every person. And that customizations can come through experienced PR professionals who have seen the market. They know how journalists react, they know how certain media organizations react to the kind of stories that we are pitching. Since we've been doing this for a very long time, my personal idea to you would be that अगर आप CEO profiling बनाना चाहते हो, first and foremost, stay away from press releases. जैसे ही आप कोई press release करते हो, people start looking upon as your story as somebody who can only come in the media when they pay for it. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You should look very organic. जब आप very organically जाते हो, when you are doing your organic media articles, when there is a Wikipedia page about you, when let's say you're a TEDx speaker, when you have multiple television interviews which are talking about you, when there are journalists writing stories about you, when there are journalists approaching you. Remember in the last episode we spoke about relationship building meetings. When there are journalists approaching you, here is where a CEO profile is created as a subject matter expert. So yes, there are agencies out there which will say, oh, आपको CEO profiling करना ना, आप हमारे पास से award खरीद लो. That is not CEO profiling. Basic statement अगर आप जानना चाहते हो is that if everybody can do it, then it is not worth it. Do it systematically, take a right approach to doing it. If you can do it correctly, it will take a little bit of time, but find the right people to do it, and that is the only way that you will be able to take it forward from there. Once again, to reiterate, अगर आप खुद के बारे में या किसी के बारे में अगर आपको एक CEO प्रोफाइल क्रिएट करना है, think it through. Think and just talk to people. We are always available to talk to you. We are always available to guide you. Put your thoughts in the comments saying that this is my industry, Arsh. How can you help us? This is the way that we are thinking of doing it. Is this the right approach or the wrong approach? I will not tell you right or wrong, but I will tell you the correct way to do it. सारे approaches correct होते हैं, सारे approaches right होते हैं in all sense. But is it being done organically? Are the people that you are talking to experienced enough to do this for you correctly? These are the small things that you have to keep in mind. Apart from this, I hope this small little session was helpful for you to understand what a CEO profile is, what can be done, hopefully. And I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Thank you very much.